Alright everyone, this is a tutorial on how to make your links, how to make them accessible in Figma, or how to make them work and be linked to whatever website you are bringing into the frame. So I have my frame here. It's a blank frame, so I can easily write something and say something like dribble link. Yeah, but I already have my dribble link. I already have it. So what I just do is I click on this icon here which says create link. So once I click on this icon, it says type or paste URL. So I just paste my URL there, Control V, and that's all. I click away and then it is linked. So you see, it now has a line underneath. Then if I hover on it, it shows, you can actually see that okay, bringing it up, open link, edit, it's showing that a link is tied to this particular text. If I put a random text, say my page, and it is not linked to anything, so it is just blank. So you see, if I hover on it, nothing happens. It just has a line underneath just to show that I'm about to click on this. But if I hover on this, you see it highlights the entire text, showing that it has been linked. So I can open link. If I say open this link, it takes me to my browser and opens the link. So that is what it does. So you see, I live in Figma now. Yeah, so it works. So if you want to link um text from your Google Doc by link into Figma, this is how you do it. So you just write whatever you want to write, and you can even paste the link itself. So if I just paste the link itself and let's say Control V, I paste the link itself. This is the link itself. So if I paste the link itself, I can just click on the link and it automatically understands that this is a link, and it automatically populates it there. So I don't have to re-enter the link anymore. So if I just hover on it, you can see everything is getting to show me that okay, this is a link. So I can say open link and it takes me there. So if this is your Google Doc link, this is the exact same way you will link your Google Doc document right in Figma. So that's about it.